Now that you understand something about basic soldering, the next thing to learn is how to solder the through-hole components to the circuit board. First, let's look at the equipment and materials needed. You need the solder iron and a stand. You need solder, your PCB or printed circuit board, your through-hole components, wire cutters, and goggles. Let's take a look at this LED. This LED has two leads, or two legs. The longer leg is positive, the shorter one is negative. Place the LED in the appropriate spot on your printed circuit board. There's a footprint, and it indicates that the negative needs to go on a certain side, and the other side then would be positive. You hold the LED in place, and then you bend the leads over. This is going to hold the LED in place until you solder. Now this iron has been turned on and is hot. Make sure the tip of the iron is tinned. A tin tip looks shiny. When you solder, do not apply too much pressure to the board or hold the iron where you want to solder for too long. If you do, you can burn the circuit board and or fry the components. The component can get fried because the heat will travel up the lead to the body of the component and damage it. So let me show you how it's done. You have your heated iron, nice and tinned. You bring it to the board at the base of the lead, so you're touching the ring and the base of the lead. You count 1, 2, 3, push in solder, done. So now you cannot see the ring because the solder has covered it and connected your lead to the ring, which is on the board. Then you're going to snip the leads. So you take your wire cutters and you cut right at the base of the lead, so that you're cutting the lead off, but you don't want to cut off your solder joint.